Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing May Part 8, I believe, for Patreon for 2025. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. All the links we'll be looking at will be down. We'll be looking at some of the repeats due to the fact that we didn't see much of an update since the beginning of it. So we got Neckel figurines for this. These are figures, so we got what Luna will look like so far. And I don't know if we have more. We have Trigger for it as well, and Zani that they're still working on. And we got Mali from Expedition 33. I won't get this game till Wednesday. For some reason, they were like out of stock when it first came out on Amazon. So uh, hopefully, I'm able to play it as well. Uh, Shihoyuna minis. This one is basically like a proxy for Warhammer. They do have a lot of Tyranid ones as well. Work in progress. We don't care about that. Here we go. This one we care about. So we got some towels, and over here, this is a Necrons, and it looks like this is going to be some Tyranid or the cults, the Tyranid cultist as well. But they're pretty cool, different. I do like proxies. To me, they look a hell of a lot better than Games Workshop models in many ways. I've been having a very fun time putting the Wood Elves for Age of Sigmars together, due to the fact that their branches and leaves keep freaking falling off. Just a light touch. So yeah. Fien, I think they're having their first tier done. For this mod, you can get all of this for like $10. So you're like sexy figurines from Cammy, Morgana, Power, Raven. I forgot this girl, that's Sailor Moon, She-Hulk. I forgot those were called. Check them out. Merge Project, another figurine as well. I think we are getting Penguin and Mega Man X. I thought we were gonna get the Skull Greymon, and that one we got. Uh, Celebi, we got Nemesis coming in as well as Galatamon. I'm not a big person on Digimon. I do like the original animation when I was a kid, but once I got older, it's just got kind of dumb. Nelson Tiered is another figure one as well. We got Martini Girl finish for it. If you're interested in that, I think this one's for me for Valkyrie. If you're interested in that as well. Hell, we looked at this before. They haven't did the fifth one done yet. All of these are now done. The fifth character, I think this is from Elden Ring or Dark Souls. Let's see here. This one's a free model that you can go pick up. Let's see here. We got the fourth one from Cyberpunk. That looks pretty cool. That I am kind of scared of 3D printing, because if it's just like wired like that, or this is just a clear resin and just marked it with blue paint, that would be more ideal. If it's just wired like this, uh, there's gonna be a lot of breaking and supports for it. This is a third model one. I don't know where this one's from. This is Squirrel Girl from Marvel's Arrival. They're like different variations of Squirrel Girl. They got her busty, hot, and they got her chunky. Got Ares as well with the Holy Materia for it. Let's see here. We saw this thing in the past. They added more. They keep adding more stuff in. We got like the Pink Panther, and you can use this on your filament printer as well. I don't have the multicolor filament printer. Freaking one of all is like it's freaking expensive, and I do want to get the Cobra 3 Max combo, but I don't really have the money for it. Filament prints. Fearin. as well. You know, Chibi Wolverine, Meowth Wolverine. That's actually kind of cute. We got Berserk coming in. You got the Fire Station, Hellboy, another Bundy, Homer Simpson. You get the whole past one that he did. A Remy Sculpt. This is new. I'm debating on getting this or not. I do not know. These are the May figure that's coming out. These are your welcome pack. I do want to get Joker. I do like Persona 5 a lot. We got Hal and Apothecary, Nashimini. It's kind of probably get it because I actually do like Hal's Moving Castle animation. We got a lot of Calcifer figurines. I know that for a fact. I'm also debating on printing the what you call it, Hal's movie, actual the moving fortress as well. Nuka art for June, but you get the Luna Snow bust. I think that's gonna be for next month. We got Emma Frost bust as well. Jasmine Disney. That's for next month. But yeah, we got a lot. They have a lot of nice figurines in many ways as well. Sonya Blade for your thing as well. Uh, Berserk Studio. This is like DC figurines. Them and like Wicked and Star SWRT, I think it's called. So we got some more updates on May. We got Bloodsport, looks like it, from Suicide Squad. I think it is Bloodsport. We got Spawn bust. Batman Green Lantern bust. But I think it's Undead Batman Green Lantern. I don't know. The Devil Knight. That's going to be for May term from Spawn. Uh, let's see here. Yeah, Batman Green Lantern. Let's see here. First Strike May. The Murder Machine model. Oh yeah, it's called a Murder Machine model. I thought it was Bloodsport for a bit. Then you get the see here, Cursal Spawn. I'm getting a lot of Spawn for this month. Looks like it. We've been getting Spawn every month as well. Kira figurines is another figure one as well. That's going to be for what's going to be for June. Let's see here. Any update? We got Putura that I might print. I already got the one that has the bustiness of it. And let's see here. Cella's test. There's supposed to be 3 models they're supposed to be doing. So these 3 looks like they're done. No, that's recent. So this is the current project that they're working on that they haven't done yet. Ethan Savage Studio. This is like Final Fantasy on minis for it, but they don't have anything towards like the end of the month. But you can pick up this free one if you're interested in it. They do a lot of like JRPG games style and anime. Like you got the Sailor Moon stuff over here. You got Bahamut, Diablo, Ifrit, and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Sword Darling Publishing. This is for like Spelljammers. If you're interested in Spelljammers, this might be for you. That's April release. May Skewer download. So we got looked like Rat Folks, and you can probably place them with some Skavens if you're interested for proxying it. Like these two, you can probably proxy for Skaven with the guns. Yeah. Wow, that is a huge rat. Yeah, a lot of rats. It's probably a abominant gauntling. Very skinny feral rats, looks like it. For it. Usually they have a ship with it as well. For it. Yashiki Yoshi Studio. They do a lot of D&D figurines for this. For this one is Needle Bleeding. a weird looking creature that I do not know about. Let's see, we got gargoyles. I already have too many of them. There, let's see, cool. Uh, I rarely use these guys unless they're like towards the water or in a very damp cave. I'll have like one or two of these guys. These guys are like a pain in the ass to beat. Anyhow, that'll be all. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.